particular position? Or just there? Perfect.
You can come here, yeah.
Okay. So thank you, Diaspora House, for having us. Perfect. So I hope you guys are excited. Wendo Festival 1.0 is bringing you brilliant artists. We have Waitakawa Jane here with us today, so thank you. And DJ Dibu, Mr. Vigida himself. We've also got Konyore, our comedian and MC for this event, and also we have the Prince of Mohivi, Tony Young, at the end. Thank you.
Thank you so much for that. And can I just say a warm welcome to our online viewers. Karibuni, karibuni sana. And to introduce who we are as Diaspora Insurance, that's very important. Diaspora Insurance is a bespoke funeral cash plan. And we are a peace of mind guaranteed. One of the things that we will guarantee you is a dignified send-off. That's guaranteed. A lot of us usually we'll plan everything else, but we never plan how the last days of our lives. And Diaspora Insurance has given us that platform where you can. I always like to say that we always insure our cars, but we don't insure them so that we can crash them, do we? And yet we insure them every year. It's the same thing. You're not insuring your life so that you can lose it. No, with long life we will be satisfied. With long life we will be satisfied. We're insuring it so that we can have peace of mind, or the people we leave behind can have peace of mind. That said, I'd like to introduce Dr. Mandeka. To come and give us the keynote, please.
So when you say keynote, it makes it very hard for me.
I'd like you to
makes it very hard for me.
I'd like you to come and tell us a little bit more than I did of who we are.
Keynote is
what
like
we do.
It's like I'm addressing the United Nations or something like that. To do a keynote address. Addressing the United Nations or something like that. To do a keynote address.
As far as we're concerned, you're welcome.
So my name is Sibet. I'm the Executive Director for Diaspora Insurance. I thought Mukami, you're going to explain to the audience who you guys are.
I was just told later.
Later? Okay.
Just to introductions, yeah.
After you.
Okay, good. So we want to welcome all of you to Diaspora Insurance. Karibu sana to Diaspora Insurance House. This is where we are. Some of you maybe you've heard about Diaspora Insurance and been wondering, where do these people actually live? Do they operate in a bridge, or do they operate in a small house or in an attic or somewhere else? So this is where we are. This is our home, Diaspora Insurance. So we want to welcome our artists who traveled all the way from Kenya to the Wendo Festival, which is happening on Saturday, right, in Bedfordshire. Perfect. So yeah, I think you guys are very lucky because you came at the right time when the weather is very friendly. A few weeks ago, I think it was raining. You woke up in the morning and think, okay, it's gonna be bright and sunny. A few minutes later, it's raining. An hour later, there's hailstorm. An hour later, there's snow, and they're like, that's a British weather for you. But I'm sure you can see that the weather is good. It's been friendly. I mean, maybe you've just brought the sunshine from Kenya to the UK. So yeah, a big welcome to Diaspora Insurance. I want to welcome the Wendo Festival team to Diaspora Insurance. I think when Mukami came to us saying that they wanted to partner with us on this festival, and we're really excited to work with them. And our proposal was like, I think it's also a good idea to bring your artists to Diaspora Insurance so that we can interact with them, and they can also have a chance to interact with their fans online, also physically. And I'm sure, I'm happy and glad that they agreed to the plan, and this is why we're here this afternoon. I just want to briefly talk about who we are as Diaspora Insurance, because maybe most of you may be wondering, some of you maybe have heard us for the first time, especially our brothers and sisters from Kenya. We are a global insurance company that was established about 14 years ago. We provide a product that's very emotional. You know, most of us, when you come here, we work, we do all sorts of things that we want, running around, getting the money and so forth. But sometimes you find a situation where a family, they lose a member, either here or back home. And our experience was that we noticed that our families raise funds to the community. What we did was, years back, to come up with a simple product, yet very effective, yet very impactful on our community, whereby an African can take a policy, a simple policy, insure yourself, insure your parents, insure your brothers, sisters, cousins, doesn't matter where they are. And then you can use that money to do whatever you want with the money. So this product was rolled out in a few countries, and then we piloted it. It worked very well, and then we expanded. Along the way, we expanded to many countries. So currently, we're now providing the product to at least 43 African nationalities, and the key product is called Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, as you can see on our banners. That's the key product that we do, which allows an African who lives and works either in the UK, USA, Canada, Australia, they can take the policy, insure themselves. If they lose someone who's on the policy, the company pays out cash immediately to the family members. No more GoFundMe, no more Harambes, no more Changos, because this is what we have always been doing, isn't it? As communities, when there's a bereavement, people try to come together, try to do these Changos, like, okay, you go around and try to put together 10 pounds, 5 pounds there, 15 pounds there. So that's our African culture. But now that we're here in the first world, we need to live by first world standards, insure ourselves, take the policy, like what she was saying, that we insure our cars, but it doesn't mean that the car is going to be trashed. But it's all about taking care of things that are valuable to us, things that we care so much, our families, their peace of mind. We need to take care of that. So this is what we do as a company, and we've been doing this for the past 14 years. We've paid claims, I think now in excess of about $7 million to clients globally. And as a company ourselves, we are authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So that's the FCA in brief, advises and regulates all financial institutions, your banks, insurance companies, investment companies. So that shows you the type of company that we run, as evidenced by, I'm sure even when you come here and park your car, you can actually see that this is a well-organized and well-run, also authorized and regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So that should give people confidence that they're dealing with a company that operates. We are rigorously assessed regularly by the regulator. So that should give our clients confidence and trust that they're dealing with a company that operates above board. We're also reinsured by Africa Re, one of the biggest reinsurance companies in the world. When you make a claim, you're 100% guaranteed that that claim is going to be paid, because Africa Re has got billions of assets that support our business. If your claim qualifies, it's going to be paid. From the organizers here, meetings here at Diaspora House. I think a few weeks ago we had Doctors Association conference here. We've had music show organizers from Malawi, Zambia.